Setting up a location-based QR code in Unicode is easier than you might think, and in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a few hidden tips to get the most out of this feature, and even recommend some other tools that might be better for your needs. First off, let's talk about what Unicode is and why location-based QR codes matter. Unicode is a platform that lets you create custom QR codes, and location-based QR codes are incredibly powerful because they direct people to specific content or actions based on where they scan the code. This is especially useful for businesses with physical locations or events. Now, let's dive into how you actually create one. The first thing you need to do is log into your Unicode account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on the Create New QR Code button. This is where the fun begins. Next thing, select Location-Based QR Code from the options. You'll then need to enter the URL or the content you want the QR code to point to. This could be a web page, a product page, or even a social media profile. But here's the kicker. Unicode allows you to link different content based on the user's location. So, if someone scans the QR code in New York, they could see a New York-specific promotion, while someone in LA could see a different offer. Next thing, customize your QR code. Unicode offers customization options for the color, size, and even the design of the code. If you want it to match your brand, this is where you can make it pop. Once you're happy with the look, move on to the location settings. Here's where it gets interesting. You can set up the location parameters by either using GPS coordinates or a zip code radius. The closer someone is to the location you've set, the more specific the content they'll see. This is perfect for event venues or physical stores looking to offer targeted content to people nearby. You can set multiple locations too, so don't worry if you have more than one store or venue. Now, the fourth thing you'll need to do is set the duration for how long your QR code will work. This is handy if you're running a limited time promotion or event. Unicode allows you to schedule the QR code to become inactive after a certain time, or even adjust what the code links to dynamically. Lastly, don't forget to test your QR code before you share it. You can scan it yourself to make sure it's working correctly and showing the right content for the right location. So, there you have it, a quick guide on how to set up a location-based QR code in Unicode. But before you go, I want to mention that Unicode is a solid tool, but there are a few alternatives that might serve your specific needs even better. I've added some great alternatives in the description that also have free trials, so you can test them out risk-free and see which one works best for your goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching!